Welcome to CondoLogie.
Hi again, I'm CondoBot. As planned, in this video, we are going to prepare a quote. We are going to start with the quote for the elevator in the pit. In fact, what we are looking to obtain as a service is the monthly maintenance of the elevator, and we want to see if our current supplier is still the best. So, we do edit. We will start by completing the top part. The activity is carried out by, well, it's me, Joe. So, we will do a follow-up on the 31st. The submission is in preparation, of course. It's for the elevators and the pit. The budget item, we could go see. We can do a search. Elevator and pit. So it's an expense that is in the budget. The item type, it's an expense. At that time, it was much faster. For the moment, the time allocated. We are working on the file, so we will be able to come back to it to indicate the time we will have to work on it. Schedule the sending, well, we will send it immediately. What I did was that I used my model to request a quote. I was a little more quickly than expected. I have already completed it. And I had saved it. You can copy the model, paste it, complete the information for the work. In fact, it is a monthly maintenance of the elevator and submit a service plan or warranty that could go with our elevator. We send it immediately. We don't need to put a sending date because the sending is not post-dated in time. We could say submission. We could say receipt. We'll go with it. By all the bidders. Okay. The deadline for the bid. We will put it at November 30th. We will give the contractors time to turn around in order to be able to make the service offer. We're going to get the photo of our elevator. We can do that very well. This document and even all the others will go as an attachment in our email. Okay, we could say that the first bidder. We'll send it by email. We will look to see who we have as a contractor. The elevator from above, which is one of our contractors. We are waiting for information from the quote. Our second contractor, we are going to send him by email. We could go and see if we have another supplier. Okay, elevator there. Is. He too, the information has just been placed. The other information below, we will wait for the submission. We will send it by email. Now, do we have a third supplier? There it gets complicated. What we could do is add a new contractor. What we can do is to simply do a Google search associated with elevators and then see the companies that offer the service and complete the file. We could say, elevator bin up. Okay. It's all fictitious addresses and numbers. We see here that we have an equipment maintenance. Let's say we have an address, that we have an account number, the terms of payment. We could enter the details of our contractor, his telephone number. Once again, it is fictitious. His cell phone, his email. If there is an RBQ number, we could enter the information. Its official number, we could very well. Why not put a web evaluation which appears in the search engine? Once the information are placed, we could put how much he charges for service calls. What is his rate? Verifiable references. We could put all of that inside the form. We keep it. We do submit. There you go. The information is classified. So we can already see that our bidders are completed. So our submission is well advanced. Send immediately. We have completed our form. We have uploaded the photo. Our submission is in preparation. All we have to do is save the file. Now that the file is saved, we are going to look at the email box. See what it gives at the submission level. It's enter. We see here that our model was completed. CondoLogie manner. The location of the work. Requiring a permit. We see that the information is finally all there. The description of the work. Monthly maintenance of the elevator. Put in place the service. We see that what we are asking for the quote. And there, we see the photo of our elevator as an example in attachment. Here is how we send a quote with CondoLogie.